In the grammar section, I remember, as far as I remember, in the grammar section, we have done two tenses, simple present and past, not future. So today, what am I going to do is simple past and present. What we have done is we are going to revise that formula, detail, everything. And then I will introduce to you what is simple future tense in the next lecture, perhaps. We will also solve the exercise of the same chapter, simple future tense. Am I making sense to you girls? Yes or no? All the girls
Yes,
should
sir.
answer me, otherwise I'll remove you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have to do
Yes, sir.
question number one only. Fill in the blank with the form.
Beta, when I ask you yes or no at that time, I should only get the answer of that much. I will give you a chance to speak, so don't worry, okay?
Okay, sir.
In fact, I always give you a chance to speak, so please just answer me because when I'm asking you something, that means I'm planning something. Okay, so simple tenses. Now there are three types of simple tenses. I will write it again. Let me just simple present, simple past, and simple future. So these three tenses are there, which are the simple. So three types of simple tenses are there. Iman Fatima, which types of simple tenses are there?
Sir, there are three types of simple tenses are there. Simple present, simple past, and simple futures.
Very good, beta. Thank you. Mute your mic. Now, Zoha, coming to you.
Yes, sir.
We have done simple present and simple past. Simple future is yet to be done. Now, tell me, what was the formula I gave for the simple present tense? I remember I gave you one formula. Whole lot of noise is there. Come on, waiting for your answer.
Yes, sir. Repeat.
Okay, Muskan, can you tell me? Okay, the one who are not answering me, I'm writing the names, so be careful uh, for the internal marks. Okay, so next I'd like to ask, I think, Ifat.
Yes, sir.
I have written something. Give me the answer for that.
Simple
Sir, can I
present
say good?
tense.
Only Ifat will answer. I need the formula for this simple present tense. I gave you when I was explaining you this chapter. This is the reason why am I revising this topic because like mathematics, grammar is also the topic of practice. If you don't remember the formula and these things, you will not be able to form the sentence properly.
Sir, can I say the?
Sir, can I Kulsum?
Okay, stop. After telling can I, you can mute your mic because I'm getting the disturbance from the background. All of you should mute the mic.
Can I tell, sir?
Mute your mic,
Sir,
I said. Sayeda,
Yes, sir. Habit.
that is not the formula. That is what you're saying is the things included in the simple present tense sentences. I need the formula. Thank you. Mute your mic. Yes, Kulsum.
simple present tense means you are teaching now.
Did I say what is the meaning of simple present tense? What am I asking you? Formula.
Subject plus verb plus es plus
Plus
subject
es.
es plus
Plus
object plus object plus other word.
what other? I am telling you subject plus verb. Okay. But
Yes.
directly es. S or es. Plus object. This much we will keep. Okay. As you said, this is the formula that subject
Yes.
plus verb plus s or es plus object. Okay. Now, if we see from one side, this is very simple formula because always girls remember one thing in any types of tense. That is, there are 12 types of tenses. Main three are there, but overall, if we see 12 types of tenses are there. You will obviously not study all in this class, but in all the tenses, whenever you want to change the tenses, whatever it is, you will never touch subject nor you will touch object. Only you will have to play with this much part, verb part. Verb will be added by something, the helping verb will be there, but never you have to touch subject or object of the sentence. Am I clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, here if I write Rohan eats pizza. Now, this sentence, whatever I have written, is in the simple present tense. Now, here subject is Rohan, object is pizza, verb plus s is eats. It will become eats. Why, what, I will explain you. Though I have already explained you, but second time I'll explain. Don't worry. Now, we only have to play with eats. Never we have to touch Rohan or pizza. We only have to change this much part if we want to change the tense. Rohan is eating, Rohan was eating, Rohan ate, but never Rohan or pizza will change. Now, am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes,
now one
sir.
simple question. If you understood, one simple question I will ask. Here now you know that S or ES. Now you might be confused, that sir, when do we have to add S or ES? So I'm writing something. See, carefully pay attention. Huh? He, she, it, or name. In bracket, one I will write. See, students, whenever, whenever in the subject part there is he, she, it, or any one person's name, at that time we will add S or ES with the verb of the sentence. I repeat, in the subject, in the starting part of the sentence, whenever there is a he, she, it, or any one person's name, at that time with the verb we will add S or ES. Now, when we will add S, when do we have to add ES? That is what I will explain you. Now, my question is to Alisha. I think, if not, okay. Sayyada,
Yes, sir.
here too, you have two options, S or ES. Sometimes we have to add S, sometimes we have to add ES. Now tell me, when can we add S or ES with the verb?
And eh,
Okay, no problem. Iman Fatima, tell
Sir, I
me
don't know.
when. Yeah, no, no problem, no problem. Sometimes we add es. So Iman Fatima, tell me when do we have to add es?
When
You know, dear, how to sit and where to sit when you are attending the lecture.
sir, I know, but my brother class is also going on. Huh?
It is going on, but it should not be like a whole lot of disturbance. It should be not more than.
Now, sir.
Now it is okay. Speak. I will listen to you.
Sir, ES or S?
Es. When can we add es with the verb?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Mute your mic, dear. Okay. So that is the reason why am I realizing this.
telling. But in
Dear, mute.
background
Dear,
voices,
mute.
not that way.
Mute your mic.
Sir, when there is, sir, when,
I said mute your mic. I don't need
excuse
if you
me,
don't
sir.
sit and say. I've already written. Thank you. See, students, when any verb is ending with ch or double s or sh or x or o, at that time we have to add es. First, we have to check whether there is he, she, it, or anyone's name. Only then we have to choose this condition of adding s or es. Then we have to see if any verb is ending with any of these, then we have to add es. Otherwise, we will add s. So please write this as I have written. You have to write this in the same way in your rough notebook. Quickly write this down. Everything should be done as I have. What? What?
Okay, sir.
What? Okay, right? And then say yes, sir.
Done. Done.
Excuse me, Rohan sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I don't understand. Can you explain yes or es again?
Yes, yes, dear. See, first, wait a minute. This disturbance in my background. Okay. Now, beta, what is your name?
Kadri Zoha.
Yes, beta.
Sir, please
Beta,
explain.
when I'm talking to one person, let me speak, beta. And yes, when I'm explaining, you can pay attention, no? There is no need to say explain me. Now I'm explaining all of you. So, students, first we have to check whether there is he, she, it, or anyone's name in the subject part. That means any singular is there in the subject part. Only then we have to add s or es. If there is a plural, we have to keep the verb as it is. Okay. Now, if there is singular in the subject part, then we have to see that what is the verb. If the verb is ending with ch or it is ending with double s or sh or x or o, at that time we have to add es. Now, for example, if I am writing here class, so Zoha, class is ending with what?
Double S.
Double s. At that time we have to add es, classes. Similarly, if I write here, okay, Zoha, what is the word?
Smash.
Okay, Iman Fatima,
Yes.
it is ending with what?
Accept.
sh. See, sh is there, no, in the list. So we have to add es, smashes. Are you getting my point, students?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
if I
sir.
write here, now if I write here, wait a minute, just wait a minute. Okay, Iman Fatima, sorry, I moved this cursor.
Yes, sir.
What is the word?
Go. Go.
It is ending with
Oh.
no, O is there, no, in the list.
Yes.
Then if it is ending with O, what do we have to add? ES. So go
Yes.
will become go. Okay.
Yeah.
We speak no goes. He goes to this. She goes to that. So now you know when to. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
So write down this quickly, girls. See everything. Cursor should be as it is. Arrow wherever I have put, you have to put at that point only. This, if you remember, no, you will easily solve simple present tense in any condition.
Sir, I'm here. Rough. My work is done.
First of all, I don't know Hindi, dear. Try to at least speak in English because this is English grammar lecture.
Yes, sir, Sheikh Marin. Yes, sir, Muskan.
Muskan, why are you speaking from your nose? You said yes, sir, Muskan. This way you are speaking.
Yes, sir, Sayyida.
See, Sayyada is also speaking from the nose.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, Sayyada. This way she spoke.
No.
All of you have become like Zoha.
No, sir, I'm not speaking no, from sir. No.
Yes, see? No, sir, no.
Sir, I'm speaking from mouth, not from sorry, nose.
Not from mouth. See, you spoke the truth. No, now we will consider that only.
No, sir.
See again, no, sir. Don't
Yes,
speak
sir,
from the nose.
Sirat Fatima Vakil.
See, Sirat Fatima is also speaking from the nose. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
See? No, sir. Sirat Fatima, now don't cry, please. I know you and Zoha were fighting, pulling your hair, each other's hair, but don't cry.
No, sir. I am here at my home and Sirat Fatima is at her home. How do we scratch each other hair?
No, no, don't tell me lie. You were fighting on the road like a cow, bull fighting on the road, no?
Sorry.
On the mud, and you were fighting dishum, dishum, dishum.
No,
And
sir.
Iman Fatima was laughing and clapping when you were fighting.
No, sir. I am at my home and right now I am doing my classes.
Don't tell me lie. You were clapping when they both were laughing. You were enjoying.
Today at my home guest are also there. So how I go any other house?
Okay. Then Muskan might be clapping
No.
No, sir.
because Zoha is always ready to fight.
No, sir. I'm not ready to fight. I hate fighting.
Just to
Yes, sir,
show that you are
Kasmani.
good. Okay. So how many girls you are still writing, or can I change the page?
Sir, I am ready.
Quickly write it down, beta. I gave you ample of time. Okay, Zoha, what is the time? Can you tell me?
Sir, timing is 10 to.
10 to what?
Means 10 hours and 2 minutes.
Okay, I thought 10 to what? This
Sir, my
class timing is
name is Roha.
9:30 to 10:15. Okay, now I'm going to change the page because we don't have much time. If you have left, you can watch the video
Sir, can
lecture
I
again.
tell Iman?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I tell Muskan? Sir, can I tell Kulfi?
Okay, can you all mute your mic?
Have you tell?
Okay, now my question is to Sirat Fatima Wakil. Sirat Fatima Wakil. Okay, she doesn't want to answer. Write her name. Okay. Then let me check in the group. Norman who is left. Okay, Sakina Rajani. She is never answering. Okay, Sheikh Ruhini.
Yes, sir.
Rohan sir.
Who is this?
Rohan sir. Rohan sir.
I am listening. Beta, speak. Yes, Sheikh Ruhin.
Rohan sir.
Beta, mute your mic. Sheikh Ruhin.
Yes, sir.
Ruhin, tell me, there are the three things included in the there are three things included in the simple present tense. What are the three things, Ruhin? Do you remember when the first I was explaining you? I wrote three things included in the simple present tense. Which are those three things? Okay, Ruhin is not answering. No problem. Now my question is to Kasmani Ifat.
Yes, sir.
Same question, beta.
Um,
Try to speak at least. If you are wrong, no problem.
okay. Sir, what is the question?
Question is, there are three things included in the simple present tense. Which are those three things?
In simple present tense, as
No, beta. I'm
plus.
not talking about formula I have given, but I'm not talking about formula. Simple present tense sentences can be the three types of sentences. Which are those three types?
He, she, and it.
No, dear.
Sir, I was only there.
Uh, okay, mute your mic. Pay attention here very carefully. Yes, Iman Fatima, you want to speak something?
Sir, I think that you speak my name. That's why I tell. I
No
sus.
problem. But now I am speaking your name, so tell.
Sir, how minutes are left? How moments are left?
What I am saying is, what types of sentences are there? Simple present tense. Which three things are there?
Sir, hermit,
What, sir?
hermit,
Iman Fatima, please